Okay, so today we are going to do the experiment of diffusion. Okay, this is potassium permanganate, and we have filled this glass of water. Almost 3/4 the glass is filled with water. Okay, now we are going to drop some particles of potassium permanganate. Okay, we are observing here the process of diffusion here. Okay, and the first thing is that we are not going to stir this solution. Okay, we are not going to stir it. We will just drop the particles of this potassium permanganate, and we will keep it like this. After half an hour we will see what will happen, and after 24 hours we have to see what will happen with the solution. Can you see the process of diffusion? How the molecules are spreading in the water, how it's getting diffused from lower concentration zone to higher concentration zone. The molecules are, please come and see this. Okay, we can see that the particles have settled down at the bottom of the glass.